I'm going to introduce some types of hobbies. 1. Outdoor activities, such as hiking, camping, gardening, birdwatching, fishing, or photography. 2. Creative pursuits, such as painting, drawing, sculpting, crafting, writing, or cooking. 3. Sports and fitness, including running, cycling, swimming, yoga, team sports, or martial arts. 4. Collecting, like collecting stamps, coins, antiques, vinyl records, or action figures. 5. Gaming, whether it's video games, board games, card games, or puzzles. 6. Music, playing an instrument, singing, composing, or simply listening to music. 7. Play projects, home improvement, woodworking, electronics tinkering, or car restoration. 8. Learning, pursuing knowledge in various subjects such as history, science, languages, or technology. 9. Volunteering, helping out in the community, working with animals, or supporting causes. 10. Traveling, exploring new destinations, experiencing different cultures, or going on adventures.